Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find trip calculator on Kayak, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app and you can see at the home page, if you scroll down, the Weight Your Travel Options section. Try out our summer trip calculator to see if driving or flying is a better way to go. Then click on the Give it a go. And now, with rising fuel costs impacting flight and rental car prices this summer, you may be wondering, is it worth booking the ticket or should I just drive? We are here to help you figure out what you might save or spend if you decide to load up the car and hit the road, or if taking to the skies is really the more affordable option. Now, where are you going? Is it a one-way trip or round trip or multi-city? And the number of travelers, let's say 2, okay. And where from? Let's say New York. And where to? Los Angeles in August. And let's see, cost to fly, the cheapest. You can see the estimated total flight cost is almost $500, and you can see per person. And the cost to drive, for the most accurate price estimate, customized based on the car you are driving. And now renting a car, no or yes. Fuel type, gasoline, diesel, or electricity. Let's say diesel. Car type, medium. And here you can see the estimated total drive cost and per person. And at the bottom you can see our recommendation is fly because it is cheaper than by car. And you can see the estimated savings by flying, more than $100. So this is a really great way to calculate your trip. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.